motomo nagai tabi demo, nagaho kara hajimanu. Hi, I'm Niva Adillah and I believe in the power of choice. Aceh is my home, filled with potentials. It is rich in cultural activities, tourism, especially the 17,080 small and medium enterprises. Being the only daughter in my family, I grew up not fearing failure, but rather to fear not trying. It inspired me to be an exchange student in Japan. From that point, I learned in a world that's changing really quickly, you need to realize the importance of digital literacy. That's why I come up with a program called Simple Digital. Being an Inong Banda Aceh opened my eyes with the contentness of our city. It's our job to help it reach its potential. I'm Niva Adillah, ready to show the world our move.